Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to apply a black and white effect to your images and photos on Canva as a complete beginner in graphic designing. So let me guide you through this really quickly. Head over to Canva, log into your account and select the photo or image. For the sake of this tutorial, I will customize and edit this beautiful photo here depicting a beachside. So let me just resize it a bit. And what you want to do after that is simply click on edit above the photo here. And there are basically two different approaches how you can make your image black and white. The first option would be to simply apply a filter from the Canva library here where it says filter. Click on see all and here scroll or browse through that library, scroll down till you get to this type of filter here called mono and pick the black and white mono filter you would like to apply, like classic, ink, noir, and so on and so forth. So let me go, for example, with a classic one, and that's how my image or photo here would look like with an applied black and white effect. You may also customize or adjust the intensity level here by moving that slider if you'd like to leave some shades of colors, for example, or leave it simple black and white like that. So let me just go back to the previous menu by clicking on that icon or button here. So the second option, guys, would be to simply adjust your custom black and white effect. To do that, click on adjust here at the top, scroll down a bit till you get to the saturation here and simply move that slider to the left or to the right, play around with it to find the best saturation or intensity level of black and white you like. So let me leave it, for example, at +50 saturation. That's how the photo would look like, and you can play around with that setup here to find the most suitable black and white effect for your image. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.